In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. So I'll take you step by step through how you can actually connect your bank account and link it to your crypto.com account, and how you can then also withdraw from your crypto.com balance to that bank account. So first, in order to get started, open up the crypto.com app. Now first, in order to check if your bank account is already connected, go to accounts in the bottom and click on your cash account. So for me it says euro, for you it could be dollar or pound, whatever currency your account is in. So click on that account and then click withdraw. Now if right here your bank account shows up in the list, you can just gonna select it. For example, I can already see Revolut right here. If your bank account doesn't show up, or at least not the one that you want to withdraw to, then follow the next step, which is to go back here into your euro account, which again can also be dollar for example, and click deposit. Now you don't need to deposit a lot of money, but if you deposit at least €1 from the bank account you want to withdraw to, it will then be connected to your crypto.com account. The only requirement for this is that the bank account you are connecting is under the same name as your crypto.com account. So under the bank details here, you can see the bank account holder name. And if you want to connect a bank account, your bank account needs to be under that same name. So just make a transfer from your bank to the details you see here, just enter the IBAN and all of that. And then once the money has been deposited, which can take up to 1 business day, you will then have connected that bank account as well. So then you can go back here to withdraw and then just select the bank account from the list. Now you can make the withdrawal. There is a minimum of €80, so say you have €60 in your account, then the smartest thing is probably to first deposit €20, because then you can withdraw the entire €80. So just make sure you have at least €80. For this example, I'll do exactly €80. Now, by the way, if you want to withdraw, you will of course first need to sell your crypto. So you can see for me, everything is still in the crypto account. So simply open that up if that's the same for you, and then open up a cryptocurrency, and then you want to click sell, and then just sell that for a fiat currency, which is again euro or dollar. So for me right now it says sell for Solana. So if I click on that, I can then under cash select my euro account, and from there I can now choose how much I want to sell. For example, I'll sell €100, click review order, and then click confirm and enter my passcode. And now I've sold my Bitcoin for euro. So now if I go back to my euro account, I will now actually have some money in it, which of course you need in order to withdraw. And you need again at least €80. So now I'll go back to withdraw, again select the bank account from the list, and then here choose how much you want to do. I'll do €80, then click withdraw. And then you can see there is a €1 fee. From there just click confirm and again enter your passcode and your 2-factor authentication code if you have that set up. And from there it says your request is pending for review. So you can see the euro withdrawal is now pending, and after some time it will be deposited directly into my bank account. So you can see right here, I have just received the €79 from crypto.com. So for me it was pretty much instant. And again, there is a €1 fee, that's why it's 79 instead of 80. If this video on how to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.